This takes us to the announcement of our last leg of Scotch Order of Merit semi-finalists. Let me welcome Mr. Subodh Shukla, Senior Fellow, Scotch Development Foundation and former DDG NIC. Mr. Surinder Singh Su, Senior Fellow, Scotch Development Foundation and former advisor, Niti Aayog. Mr. UK Sharma, Senior Fellow, Scotch Development Foundation and former advisor with Niti Aayog, are independent panel of experts. They together would have looked at scores and scores of such interventions and added their experience for them to learn from and also to assess the projects to add to their benefit. I invite Mr. D. Gautam Sawang, Director General of Police from Andhra Pradesh Police Department, to receive the Scotch Order of Merit for Central Lockup Monitoring System. Sir, you have to unmute yourself.
Yeah. Thank you very much once again, sir.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The next one also goes to you for Women Help Desk.
Thank you once again, sir.
We have yet another one, Code Blaze, the one that you were talking about.
Thank you very much, sir.
And one more for prevention and detection of temple offenses.
Yeah, this is, thank you. I think sometime when we have an opportunity to talk about this is a very interesting initiative which we had to undertake given the situation and circumstances on the ground. So thank you very much.
You're welcome. And the implementation of ICJS.
Thank you once again. Thank you very much.
I now invite Mr. PVVS Murthy, Commissioner from Anantapuramu Municipal Corporation for Navasakam in Anantapuramu Solid Waste Management. Mr. M.K. Yadava, Managing Director, Assam Forest Online Portal, Assam Electronics Development Corporation Limited. Mr. Yadava. Do we have Mr. Yadava with us? Mr. M.V. Gautama, Managing Director from Bharat Electronics Limited, Response to COVID. Mr. Aditya Singh, Chief Executive Officer, Bhopal Smart City Development Corporation, Response to COVID. Mr. Narinder Kumar Grover, Managing Director, Central Railside Warehouse Company, Response to COVID.
Sir, good afternoon. This is N.K. Grover here. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Mr. Raj Cherubal, Chief Executive Officer, Chennai Smart City, Response to COVID. Dr. Garima Mittal, Chief Executive Officer, Faridabad Smart City, Civic Infrastructure and Smart Urbanism, Fatehpur, Chandela. Dr. Samir Kulkarni, Chief Executive Officer, Kulkarni Medical Foundation's Pyramid Hospital for healthcare services to rural population during COVID-19. Good evening.
Dr. Kulkarni.
Hello.
Congratulations, Dr. Kulkarni. We can hear you.
Yes, I am Dr. Kulkarni.
Well, congratulations to you and the entire team for doing splendid work during COVID-19.
Yes. We have treated approximately more than 500 patients indoor and approximately 700 patients on OPD basis.
Fantastic. Wonderful work. Congratulations.
Yes. Yes, yes. Thank you very much, sir.
I move on to invite Ms. Shipra Sharma, Head CSR and Sustainability from Larsen & Toubro Infotech, Digital Sakshar. Please unmute yourself.
I come from LTI and we are a global technology solutions provider. And I think this award is dedicated to our leadership and the vision which they have for digitally connected India and how to bring solutions to the poorest of poor. Thank you very much.
Congratulations. Mr. Prakash Thavel, Chief Executive Officer from Nashik Municipal Smart City Development Corporation, Electric Crematorium. Mr. A. Gopal Rao, Chairman and Managing Director, Northern Power Distribution Company of Telangana Limited, Distributed Solar Generation. Mr. Ashutosh Chandan, Assistant Manager, HR and Administration, ONGC Tripura Power Company Limited, for project Health and Sanitation Project for poor girl students in Gomato district. Mr. Lakshmipathy MP, Executive Director, Ponpure Chemical India Private Limited, for response to COVID. Mr. Lakshmipathy was with us. I think it got dropped. Ms. Rubal Agarwal, Additional Municipal Commissioner from Pune Municipal Corporation, Project Leadership Story on COVID-19. Mr. Kirtipati Lokeshwara Verma, Commissioner, Response to COVID, Punganur Municipality. Mr. Anirudh Pradhan, Commissioner from Sambalpur Municipal Corporation, Solid Waste Management.
Hello, sir. Myself, Subhankar Mohanty. I am Enforcement Officer, Sambalpur Municipal Corporation. I am here on behalf of my Commissioner, Mr. Pradhan. And thank you for this award. And it will also inspire us to go ahead with the solid waste management that we are doing very decentralized manner. Thank you.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you again.
Mr. Srinivas Rao, Municipal Commissioner from Setanpalli Municipality, decentralize the dry leaf compost. Siddipet Municipal Corporation, Dr. K.V. Ramanachari, Municipal Commissioner, 100% water supply.
Sir, good evening, Gurusharanji. I am Ramanachari, Municipal Commissioner, Siddipet. Thanks a lot to Scotch Group.
Congratulations to you.
Thanks, sir.
Dr. Apurva Sharma, Chief Executive Officer, Silvassa Smart City Limited, for response to COVID. Mr. Abdul Rahman, Chief Officer, Town Municipal Council, Kurekupa, for utilization of groundwater by revival of open wells and fixing mini filter. Please unmute yourself. Yes.
Sir, a very good evening to the Scotch Group. Myself, Abdul Rahman, Chief Officer of Town Municipal Council, Kurekupa. First of all, I thank the Scotch Group. Such a beautiful platform have been for the all group of people to join in one platform to identify as a best practices. And I thank to my technical team who has done such a good performance for providing in water supply pressure filters And I thank to my president, vice president, and council of our town municipal council. And moreover, I thank to our district administration who has been cope up with our technical for providing a technical sanctions and all. And I thank to the public of our town municipal council to give such a good opportunity to initiate a best practice of water supply.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
I invite Mr. David Kumar Anthonappa, Program Head, United Way Bengaluru, for 1 billion drops, conservation of rainwater for sustainable Bengaluru. Mr. M. Devraj, Chairman and Managing Director, Uttar Pradesh Power Corporation Limited, for performance improvement. Vapi Municipality for SCADA project and World #1 Node 2.4 water distribution and sewer design, iOS and Android application. Mr. Sanjay Tarakan Jha, hydraulic engineer.
This is Sanjay Tarakan Jha, hydraulic engineer from Vapi Nagar Palika. I am very much thankful and great merit award and encouraging the engineers for coming forward with such a project and giving us nice opportunity and platform for the exhibition of the application that I have made. Whatever design we have to do, it is on the laptop or anybody in any village, and any pipeline for sewerage or this water supply network within a very short 5 to 10 second period of time. Normally the designing part take 1 month or 15 to 20 days. So this was the project, and thank you for selecting this project, sir. This project means in future I will be my planning is to connect whole India, the dams and rivers of whole India digitally, so that from one means central monitoring system, so that we can see the level of each and every dam and rivers. This Uttarakhand, the problem of will be controlled by observing from central means one place. And so that is my view. Thank you very much, Scott, once again for giving and means considering our project for Scotch Award. Thank you very much, sir.
May your wish come true and wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir.
Move on to invite Varanasi Smart City for infrastructure development.
Am I audible? Actually, I'm not able to listen from your side. It's Gaurang Rathi, Municipal Commissioner and CEO Smart City, Varanasi.
We can hear you.
Am I audible to you? Because I cannot hear from you.
Yes, you are audible. You are audible.
Since I can see Varanasi from here, that's why I'm like talking to, it's like talking to the screen. Okay.
All right, congratulations to you.
Yeah, so as I'm saying, I think I am audible to you, but I cannot hear from your side. So we are here and we are eagerly waiting for the final result. I think for now, that's what I can say.
Excellent. Ms. Pratibha Patil, President, Vapi Municipal Council, Solid Waste Management. Mr. Santanu Basu, Chairman and Managing Director from West Bengal State Electricity Distribution Company Limited, for Sustainable performance as the second largest power utility with substantial IT transformation. Ms. Charu Bhargava, Vice President IT from Sheela Foam Limited, driving retail efficiency with store image analytics.
Hello, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
Thank you, Scotch, for giving us an opportunity to share our initiative and also recognizing our initiative on such a big and I would say eminent forum where a manufacturing also got some, I would say, place to share the platform. Thanks a lot to the entire jury and to the Scotch team. We look forward for the finalists now. Thank you.
Wish you all the best.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Sinzi Technology Private Limited for banking compliances, Mr. Rahul Raj, Head of Partnership. Spinoff Technopark Private Limited, Mr. Raman Quatra, Area Sales Manager. Sthapatya Consultants Private Limited, Amravati, for integrated GIS-based property survey, assessment, automation of property tax collection and revenue management for ULBs. Dr. Amol Daifor, Director.
Sir, we as a whole team are very grateful to the entire Scotch Group for availing us the beautiful opportunity to mention our hard work to all of you. We are looking forward and keeping the municipal revenue backbone building from last 20 years, working ahead with a great motivation for being shortlisted for this great opportunity from all of you. Thank you again.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Dr. Yeram Raju, Advisor and Director, Telangana Industrial Health Clinic for Corporate Excellence. Mr. Jitesh, we have Dr. Raju with us. Dr. Raju, we are not able to hear you. No, you are not audible. I guess we need to move on. Well, thank you so much and congratulations to you. Mr. Jitesh PV, Vice President and Head Digital, the Federal Bank Limited for Fed Mobile. Mr. Nalin Saluja, Co-Founder and CTO, Virohan, Rapid Response to COVID for Healthcare Professionals. Mr. Abhishek Shah, CEO and founder, co-founder, Wealthy Therapeutics.
Hello, hi, this is Tanmay here on behalf of Wealthy Therapeutics, and we thank Scotch Awards for qualifying us for the semifinals and look forward for the final ceremony. And congratulations to everybody else too. Thank you so much.
Congratulations for making it to these semifinals.
Thanks.
Mr. Thamodaran Krishnaraj, Senior Quality Manager from Windcare India Private Limited, Component Replacement in Wind Turbine.
Sir, on behalf of Mr. Thamodaran and on behalf of our CEO, Mr. Anthony Raj Prem Kumar, I'm here to thank the Scotch team for selecting us in this prestigious Scotch Order of Merit. And we are very glad to be here. And we are very happy to say that we are getting the third award from Scotch, sir. And we are very glad that we have been bestowed this award this time also. So I just would like to say that we are driven by the innovative spirit of our CEO, Mr. Anthony Raj Prem Kumar, sir. And we always look to move forward through the combined effort from our HODs as well as the team who are the face of Windcare. And I'm really glad to be here. And I am expecting to be the finalist also in this award. Thank you so much for this great honor that has been bestowed on us. Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Mr. Deepak Kansal, Chairman, Exim Ventures Private Limited. Yogita Biofarming Private Limited for Javik Seva Kendra, Mr. Deepak Kumar, founder and CEO. We are joined by Assam Electronics Development Corporation as well as Anantapuramu. Let me move over to their announcement. They missed it initially. Mr. PVVS Murthy, Commissioner, Anantapuramu Municipal Corporation.
Sir, good evening, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Good evening, sir. I am Murthy, Commissioner from Anantapuramu Corporation, Andhra Pradesh. We are happy, very happy with the semi-finalist.
Well, congratulations to you and the entire team. And now invite Mr. Mahendra Kumar Yadava, Mr. M.K. Yadava, Managing Director, Assam Electronics Development Limited, Assam Forest Online Portal. Mr. Yadava. I think due to some connectivity issue is logged out again. Anyway, thank you very much for joining us. And at sharp 5 o'clock, we shall be starting the announcement for the Scotch. In the meanwhile, let me move over to Mr. Subodh Shukla, Mr. Sur and Mr. UK Sharma, who has been with us, not only listening to these announcements, but also at the same time have been part of the evaluation process, been associated with the foundation for more than 7-8 years now. If I may ask Mr. Shukla, you know, the topic of discussion today, you know, the underlying theme of the conference has been the digital state. There have been several strides that have been made in last as many years, ever since the Digital India was announced in the year 2014. Moving forward, 2021-25, you know, if these projects have to scale, if these projects have to become even bigger, not only in size, but also in terms of success, what is it that they need to do? Mr. Shukla.
Gushan, can you please come again? I could not understand your question. Yeah.
I said that the underlying theme of the discussions today has been the digital state. Mm-hmm. And the strides that have been made by these projects in last as many years, ever since 2014, particularly in context of Digital India, if they have to scale and for India to become a digital state and a digital economy, 21-25, what are the things that these projects need to do to scale and become larger, even in terms of successes?
Personally, I feel that while COVID has been very bad for the economy and it has been a jolt to everything which was going on earlier, but it has given a push to the digital communication and the digital economy like nothing else. So it is, for instance, online classes, online e-learning, etc., is something which is becoming commonplace now. And banking, you take any sector, any field of activity which was earlier, trying to make some progress in this field, they have been pushed into they've been fast-tracked into digital communication. So if you ask me which sectors would be the ones which would drive this, I would put my finger on e-education, and I would also in general, I would say that e-governance would be something which would be very, very I mean, it would be something which would be very going further. It'll grow very fast. So I personally feel very, very positive about this. That in general, it would be digital communication and digital mode of governance, of working, of service delivery. Everything would be fast tracked now, much more than what was expected earlier.
Thank you, Mr. Sharma. Mr. UK Sharma.
Gurusharan ji, good evening.
Good evening.
In fact, I started dealing IT sector in 1991 to 2018. Those were the days when it was Department of Electronics which was driving this computer and IT also. But because of more thrust on IT, it became an independent ministry. These were set up, software technologies parts were set up, ERNET came in, then IT task force with 108 recommendations was set up. Mr. N. Vijayadatta, Mr. Vittal also contributed immensely. So we are reaping their benefit today. We have very good experience with passport. It has streamlined. It has further given to railway computerization is well done. So many things have come up. So Digital India has so many components with its subcomponents. I think there is a need to review the action taken report. Many of them have not are yet to scale up. So, for example, this digital locker has not penetrated very much as expected. And there is also one professor from Harvard put emphasis that elections can be done with our Aadhaar system. Elections can be done electronically in one day. And there is no need for so much expenditure. And lastly, there should be provision for online filing of FIRs. We were discussing in the previous session. So there is no reason why a citizen cannot file online FIR by himself. Why he need to go again and again to police station just for registering his complaint. So there is a need to further review the action taken report of Digital India subcomponents. Thank you, sir.
So much. Can I now request Mr. Sur for your reflections? Please unmute yourself. You are muted. Yes.
Is it okay, sir? Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
Digital India and digitization, computerization is very, very important for India. For example, now we are talking about smart cities. And in smart cities, everything needs to be computerized so that we can use our resources optimally. For this, digitization, use of computers at last mile is also very important. So we need to give more thrust to digitize everything, starting from electricity generation, transmission, distribution, and even the household utilities, equipments also needs to be digitized. If we're talking about smart cities, then everything needs to be integrated. Not only electricity, water, and other essential services. So a lot of work needs to be done so that we can achieve the target to create smart cities and give very great benefits to the citizens. As Mr. Sharma has also mentioned that some of the things like lodge FIR quickly by everybody remote places is very important. If we digitize ourselves and provide computers to people living in remote areas and rural areas especially. And so a lot of work needs to be done. We have done remarkably in India. And for example, when I had gone to Japan and to attend JICA training, there the participant from African countries, they informed us that I'm talking about 2003. At that point of time, we had internet connectivity, but it was not available in Africa. Might be it might have reached to African countries now, but at that point of time, we were much ahead in comparison to other countries. And since we opened up this sector, we attained a large number of things, as Mr. Yukesh Sharma has also mentioned that whatever we planned, we could achieve in a very shorter time. So now I see that we should do a lot of things further so that now we can address the micro level issues. This is from my side.
Well, thank you so much. It's quite interesting to have a view from the other side of the table. So thank you very much to you all gentlemen for joining us on this panel.